How many trees are there in the Canada? It is difficult to determine the exact number of trees in Canada because the amount of forested land is vast and constantly changing due to natural events such as wildfires, as well as human activities such as logging and afforestation. However, according to a report published by Natural Resources Canada in 2021, Canada's forest cover was estimated to be approximately 347 million hectares, or 3.47 billion hectares. The total number of trees in Canada would depend on a number of factors, such as the species composition of the forests and the density of trees in different regions.